To set lock screen appliance beeping sound notification as do not show notification in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements, and then select sound notifications. Select settings. Tap sound notification are active if you turn on sound notification, and if turn off, tap sound notification are closed. And then turn on live transcript and sound notifications. If off, tap sound notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down, tap appliance beeping. Scroll down, tap lock screen, and then select don't show notifications. Now appliance beeping lock screen so notification set as don't show notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.